5, line up and wait, runway 07.
Line up and wait, runway 07, clear flight 15.
179 arrive at 02, indicate next to right, road 12.
Whisper. Hold on. Mega connect Tonian. I come in last night. Yeah. Marriott, man. Tonian. Whisper up on the line. I need the two of you listen to me carefully. I'm going to give you a very unpopular order, but it's an order nonetheless. Certain things I get out of hand. I'm going to need you to go off grid. Listen to me, the two of you. This is not up for debate. There's some things me need to take care of, and me don't want none of you to get hurt. So me need to know to go off grid for at least a week. Me gonna send another details. I wanna go. And me need to know to move now. Whisper. Carry destiny with you. Tonian. Not tell nobody where you go. Not even German. Just do what I ask you to do. Me keep in touch. German, I need your assistance. Me send you the details.
This come like the Twilight Zone. Trevor, this real?
Yeah, come here. It's real. If you understand, say, I try to protect you and Kamisha. You see, and with all the wagwan, me never just want, you know everything right away.
You realize every time you say I try to protect me and Kamisha, something just happen out of nowhere, and it put our life in a more danger instead of protect we.
Because of the situation them will arise, and the situation them when I find myself in a.
So all up, you Trevor Sullivan, you're a magnet to bad situation, or oh, let this happen and I go there and fix it. You're a fixer?
In that situation, yeah, I know me go to it. It come to me.
You remember some more in that woman had it? Yeah, walk and I pick up stone. Me even read her eulogy. And you know so the woman come back in her life. And you just a tell me?
Camille, me did plan for tell you.
How much time? How much time you gonna say the same thing, Trevor?
Camille, just easy now. Understand what me I try for say now.
Trevor, I been understand and I hear say it stop. Come talk about I understand. I don't know how much understand me I go understand.
You know, sir, this is the last thing that I expect to happen between me and you. Because every time we start to something right, something always go wrong.
And that is because of you, Trevor. You keep too much secrets and tell too much lie. And you see the people them where you let in your life, and them are the problem.
Hello, Nicey.
Same, Ross.
Are you alone?
No, Camille is here beside me.
Okay. I'll call you later when you have privacy.
No. The phone is on speaker.
Hello, Camille.
Hello, Nicey. Or should I say Lazarus?